President's Day, so I have the day off from the IT gig. It's back at the shop. Ran all 5 shells through the spray booth. Starting some work on the Taikos, grinding these counter hoops. And Caleb stopped by to hang out because he's working on his own concert tom project.
I need an adult.
All right, yeah, I think we're good. All right, let me grab.
So that speaks to a good director. It's that trust.
Yeah.
Goes both ways, just like you.
What's this color called?
This is Black Oyster Pearl, but it's a recreation, so it's not perfect. It's somebody else's idea of a Black Oyster Pearl, not Ludwig's. But it matches close enough.
To be fair, Ludwig's version is Delmar's version anyway.
Oh really?
Yeah. Well, I say that. I'm like 95% sure they use Delmar wraps. I don't actually know that.
It looks green to me.
I know, it's like the yellowy, it makes it sort of greenish. Yeah, absolutely. But it was like $20. And this drum was like, I think like $60 or something. I just found it online and I was like, ooh, I'll add a 10-inch to my kit and I'll rewrap it in some oyster. And here I am.
There he goes.
This is like the best headlamp ever. It's a Christmas present from my mom. All right, ready for this?
Wow.
Don't even have to touch it. It's fantastic. I think that's good.
Big old roundovers.
Yep. I'm going to start the laser on the felt pieces, and then I'll poly the insides of these. Here we go. Boom. Muffle.
Does that get adhered to the bottom of the heads with spray adhesive or something?
Yeah, that was my plan.
Oh.
These are huge, but last time I made a set of these, I remember that I just kept adding felt and kept adding felt inside the drum before I got, like, before it actually sounded like a Taiko drum, you know? So this time I'm just going nuclear to start.
Brings an end to the day. Bill's got to get to symphony rehearsal. I was able to wrap 2 of these counter hoops. The first one took well over an hour. Second one took 48 minutes. We're averaging them out to an hour. 2 more to go. Bill got layout and drilled. It's just drilled for vents and badges. Bearing edges, the big round over on the outside, 30-degree chamfer on the inside, and cleaned up the insides with sandpaper.
These are ready for poly on the inside, which I will do tomorrow.
And the mufflers. So 2 more of those will have to be wrapped before you can do the fun part.
I got to grab some more felt to make 2 more of these, and then we can lace it up. All the rope is right there. I did the math and came up with 100 feet of rope per drum. I hope I'm wrong, because that's going to be a giant pain in the ass. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
I hope you're wrong that you got too much and not too little.
Oh, yeah. Good point. Yeah, if it's actually more than that, I'm going to be sad.